By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a new blog post in HubSpot. Start by signing in to HubSpot with your account. Once you are in the dashboard, go to the top navigation and open Content, then choose Blog. This takes you into the Blog tool, where you can manage existing posts and start a new one. From the blog area, click Create. A menu will appear with content options. Select Blog Post to open the creation window. If your account has more than one blog, this is where HubSpot asks which blog you want to use for the new post. In the Create Blog Post window, choose the blog where you want this post to be published. Make sure you select the correct blog before moving forward, especially if your account includes separate blogs for different brands, teams, or regions. After that, choose the post language from the available options. When both selections are set, click Create Blog Post. HubSpot will open the blog editor for your new draft. At the top, enter the title of your blog post, then move into the main editor area and add the body content for the post. This is where you build the article itself using the text and content tools available in the editor. Add the content you want readers to see when the post is published. Once the main content is in place, open the Settings menu. Here you can configure the details that control how the post is presented and published. Update the URL if needed, assign the correct author, and add a featured image if the post should display one. You can also add tags to help organize the post, review the SEO information, and adjust the publishing settings. If the post is meant to go live at a specific time, this is the area where you review those options before publishing. After the settings are configured, click Preview. This opens a view of how the blog post will appear before it goes live. Use this step to review the title, content layout, and any details from the settings, such as the featured image or URL structure. If something looks off, return to the editor and make the needed updates. When the post is ready, click Publish to make it live on the selected blog. If you are not ready to publish yet, save the post as a draft instead, so you can come back to it later and continue editing or review it again before it goes live. Your new blog post in HubSpot is now created and either published or saved as a draft.